An instruction set of a processor has 125 signals which can be divided into 5 groups of mutually exclusive signals as follows. How many bits of the control word can be saved by using vertical microprogramming over horizontal microprogramming? In horizontal microprogramming, we know that within each micro instruction, in the micro operation field or in the control signal field, we reserve 1 bit for each control signal. Hence, for 125 control signals, the number of bits required is 125 bits. And here we are using vertical microprogramming with mutually exclusive groups. Within each group, only one signal can be active at a time. Hence, the signals in each group can be encoded with lesser number of bits. There are 20 signals in group 1 which can be encoded with seal of log 20 to the base 2, 5 bits. With 4 bits we can identify only 16 signals, so minimum 5 bits are required to identify 20 signals. Now group 2 consists of 70 signals which can be encoded with seal of log 70 to the base 2, 7 bits. Group 3 contains 2 signals, we need 1 bit, and group 4 consists of 10 signals which can be encoded with 4 bits. Group 5 consists of 23 signals which can be encoded with 5 bits. So total how many bits are required? 12 plus 1, 13 plus 9, 22 bits are only required in case of vertical microprogramming, and for horizontal microprogramming we need 125 bits. So the number of bits that can be saved is 103.